Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Landbot account in 2026. If you want to build no-code chatbots for websites, WhatsApp, or lead generation, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Landbot website. Next, click on the Sign Up or Get Started free button on the homepage. Now choose your sign-up method, such as Google account or email registration. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password if you're signing up manually. Now complete any verification step, such as confirming your email from your inbox. Next, log in to your new Landbot account using your credentials. Now select your use case, such as lead generation, customer support, or website chatbot. Next, follow the onboarding steps to set up your first chatbot project. Now explore the dashboard where you can create and manage your chatbot flows. Finally, customize your profile settings and connect your preferred integrations if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a Landbot account. You're now ready to build interactive chatbots without coding. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone!